Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn on how you can block people on Twitter, since some people be tweeting offensive or maybe bothers you through messages. So in today's video, I will be showing you how it's all done. Just make sure you watch till the end of the video. So let's simply start by opening Twitter. And now that Twitter is open, you can see even more tools to work with. So now try find the user you wish to block. They might be on your feed already, or you perhaps follow them or simply search them. Period. So for us, let's try find the one from feed. So simply click on his or her profile. And now that the profile is open, you can see all these tools to work with. So now as you can see we on the user's profile. So this is the part where you going to block this user. So it's very simple. Just simply start by opening this three dots in the top right corner. And now that it's open you can see even more tools to work with. So let's simply find the last option which says block user. So simply click it. And now as you can see you have been given the final confirmation, which says that if you block them, you won't see their tweets and you will never receive their messages. So if you truly sure, then simply come and click on block. And now that it's done, you can see that we have a user already blocked. So from now on you can block any user or unblock them however you want. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.